Let me first tell you what is this question all about. Whenever we are going for anything, people really wish to know that why are we doing this? What is the main purpose to get into this? Maybe if you plan to buy a new house or you plan to buy a car or anything for yourself, then there would be always a question that what makes you go for it? Why you have planned to get into this? So obviously, if it is a case of a career, and especially if we talk about management as a career, and you will be interviewed for top B schools, so this becomes important for them to know your zeal. This become important for the college to understand the reason, to get to know the purpose, the zeal behind why you are coming here, why you have opted this course, what makes you attracted towards the same. So all such questions, all such parameters should be inculcated while we are transferring or forming our answer to this question. There may be several reasons to get into MBA or to opt for management as a degree, but we need to think for such an answer which should reflect my aspiration towards MBA as a career. So let's begin with this. So we have Akshita, Aman, Achal, Anisha joining this session, Divyanshu, Harshit, Nancy, Nandini, and Pranjal. So I think Pranjal will set up again the lead for this because he's preparing these days for his IIM Kojikor or maybe other interviews. So I'm still waiting for Satyam here. So Pranjal, I believe we can start with you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah, so give me the answer that why you would choose MBA as a career.
Like if I talk about myself, so I have around 1 year of work experience. So I have done the entry level jobs, and by doing MBA, I believe that being at a managerial position, I'll be having more power and methods to showcase my potential. So that is one of the reasons, and also like the way every economy is progressing right now. So I believe that like we need more and more managers to manage people and tasks in the coming future. So it could be the best option to have.
Okay, as you said that you have 1 year of experience, Pranjal. So when did you decided you wanted to get into MBA? During your graduation, after working, or when?
Yeah, while I was working.
Okay, while you were working. So prior to that time, when you were doing your graduation, what was your thought for your PG that moment?
At that moment, I was mainly focusing on my graduation and learning the best I could, so that I can like learn
And
at
what
that
you have
time.
done in your graduation?
I've done BBA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then obviously you would have like somewhere in your mind it must be there that if you have opted BBA, then you'll go for MBA, isn't
Yes,
it?
it was there, but it
Was there?
became more prominent after when I started working.
Exactly. So why didn't you thought of continuing your job?
As I told you, like after doing MBA, I'll be at a managerial position and I would be able to showcase my potential at the very best.
Okay, so just to gain experience and to become more learned, I believe you are going for management as a career. Yes, is it?
It could be an option, and right now every like company or a job requires a postgraduate degree for a managerial position. So this is also an option.
This is also a reason you mean to say.
Yeah,
Okay. And Pranchal, how much marks you have scored in your graduation
87%.
in BBA?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, Achal, unmute yourself. It would be better if you people switch on your video and then answer. It will give you an actual feel because I have opened my video, so you may also. Achal, are you there? Anisha Rana, are you ready with your answer? See, again, I can tell you what you have to say. Is there anyone who would like to answer? Or shall I tell you? Harshit, Divyanshu, Anisha, Aanchal, Aman, and Akshita. Am I audible? Am I audible
Yes.
to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
So, Aanchal, where were you? I was asking you to tell your reason. Is it not framed, or you would like to answer?
Yeah, ma'am, I have framed it like
Okay.
partially. Shall I go on?
Right now, my motto is just to know what you people are saying, and I'm taking a note of it so that I could suggest you later on what can be done. And I have also got the introduction of some of the students. I have just gone through few of them. Rest few I'll be going it tonight. I'll be going through it tonight and will revert to you as soon as possible. So yes, Aanchal, go ahead. Why MBA as a career?
I want to pursue an MBA from a good B school because I think that I can learn and grow in this field and I can do better in management field. And I want to see the other side of the spectrum, like how a business work. And like apart from it, I have 2.5 years of experience in IT and I have technical and programming skills. Now I want to learn the management aspect of a business, and this will help me in my career growth and will also be a good option for transforming my career. So yeah, that's why. Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Achal ma'am is not there.
Okay, okay.
So once again, welcome everyone to the session, and we are discussing why MBA as a career. So I was speaking to Aanchal. So Aanchal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Shall I
So
repeat it?
yeah, please repeat. I have heard you tell that you want to get into managerial, and you were telling us that you
Yes,
want to become better through this course.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, I think I can do better in management field. And apart from it, I also have 2.5 years of experience and I have technical and programming skills while being in IT. And now I want to learn management aspect of how a business works. And I think it will be a great career transformation option for me and it will be better for my career growth as well.
Okay, first, if I talk to you, Aanchal, that you mentioned that your managerial learnings will improve. So basically, I would like to know why you have so much faith in this course and this career, why you feel that this can really help you or inculcate these qualities in you.
Yes, like if while being in office, I had been given various opportunities where I had to manage things by my manager. And like for the role of project management also, I was given the responsibilities. So I performed really well there and I really enjoyed doing it. I didn't take it as a task. And I think I am someone who can perform and do better if given a chance to be good at it. So I really want to learn the other side of the spectrum and know how things really work. So that is why I
Okay,
want to
if
learn and
given a
pursue this
chance,
course.
and you are selected, so Aanchal, have you made up your mind that which stream you'll get into? Because as you told us that you are having an experience of 2.5 years, so you'll be working. I mean, you'll be choosing your stream, something somewhat related to your work ex, or what it would be like.
Ma'am, to be honest, I am somehow like stuck between two or three streams and I really need to figure it out. But yes, I have two or three streams in my mind, but I don't want to go in IT field. I want to be in management only.
Okay. So anyone else would like to attempt and this answer this question? Why MBA as a career? So as of now, I guess we all have understood that why it is important to tell, why it is important to frame an answer to this question, that why am I going for it? As I previously told you, that it is important because if we take any decision in life to even buy something, then also our parents, friends, family, even the seller somewhat sometimes ask us that why you want to go for it, what is your purpose, why you are looking for something like this, because they really wanted to know the need, the requirement. So similarly, if I talk about this course, this is a course which takes you through the aptitude process. Then obviously we know that we have an interview process. So the interviewer are having a lot of candidates, lot of applicants who are looking for this particular course, and also they need to shortlist the ones who are having clarity among their answers, who are very clear that why they are coming for this. So let me just give you a very 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 basic example to understand कि आपका आंसर यहाँ पर कितना फ्रेम, कितना क्लियर होना चाहिए. This might seem funny, but I have to answer this way only. Let's just take an example that you are going to, marry someone, and the girl asks you that why you want to marry me, and you answer or your response to her is just because I don't have anyone else, or just because you have been, or people told me that you are someone who would be good for me. So these two answers, like relating now to your MBA, कि मैं MBA इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ और नहीं मिला करने के लिए, या मैं MBA इसलिए कर रहा हूँ मुझे लोगों ने बताया. So you have understood such response will not going to make the interviewer feel good. Similarly, you will be rejected for the marriage proposal too. So ultimately we need to frame answer in such a way that it should reflect my zeal, it should reflect my aspiration, it should reflect my passion to get into this particular course. And as we have heard the response from Achal and Pranjal right now, so both of them have tried to relate it to their personality. Like while working I realized that I can do better, while working I realized that these skills are already there in me, and somewhere I'm enjoying them, so I can just go about polishing them or getting more into it. So definitely your answer should be such which should relate to you, which should reflect your passion, zeal. Is there anyone out here which is the person who is not having any experience, so that I would like to hear what you tells the interviewer? Because if you are not having any experience, then this becomes really important for us to know. We have Aman, I guess he has no experience as of now, or Nandini, you can also go about trying the answer to this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead. Why you want to get into management?
Ma'am, before I chose my stream as commerce, I tried all the three streams, that is humanities, science, and management. But I find myself the most comfortable, and I just see that
Actually, I would like to point you out here. Just now you said that when I was about to select my stream as commerce, I tried the other streams. How did you try them?
Ma'am, I was there in science stream for more than 20 to 25 days. Within
Okay.
20 to 25 days, I just got to know that this
Was
is not
this the
cup of
option
my
with
tea.
you? Was this the option with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I mean, you tried, you took admission in science stream for your 11th class and you was there for 20 to 25 days. Is that
Yes,
what
ma'am.
meaning?
Yes, ma'am. I
Oh,
was there.
okay, then what
And
next?
for more than 10 to 12 days, I was in humanities art stream. But I got to know that these both are not a cup of my tea. And then I just came in commerce stream, which I find comfortable. And I felt that this is my potential. I can do better in management.
Okay, you have realized that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but still this is something which is not complete, because if you say that I just realized my potential just because science and humanities was not my cup of tea, I would say that within 20-25 days, how you were able to make it out whether science is not your cup of tea, because you were already studying your science subjects in 10th standard. So आपको तब पता नहीं चला कि वो आपका cup of tea नहीं है, लेकिन आपको 11th के 20 दिन में पता चल गया. This is something which is not following me, not acceptable to me. Let me just come up to you later on. And anyone else out here would like to approach to this question? Why MBA as a career? So ultimately, let us look at some of the points which we should mention here. The first one is your, interest. If you try and frame your answer in such a way that should reflect your interest, कि मुझे जानना है कि MBA में क्या होता है. I want to really explore this thing. I want to really learn things related to managerial actions. So these qualities, these attributes would be reflected and would be appreciated by the examiner or interviewer, because आपको मन है, आप बहुत interested हो. और सबसे खास बात, अगर हम इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं किसी चीज में तो हम उसे ऑब्वियसली अच्छा करते हैं. अगर हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, हम जबरदस्ती भेजे जा रहे हैं, और इफ आई एम चूजिंग समथिंग जस्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन, देन डेफिनेटली आई वुड बी bored, or I may feel bad about it later कि मैंने क्यों किया, or I may regret. So first, this is very important that you should show your interest in your answer, that yes, I am very interested. Then obviously give reasons for interest. Like people out here have tried to tell that I am interested because whenever some tasks were given to me, I used to enjoy them. I used to feel more responsible. And then it has inculcated leadership qualities in me. So I want to enhance my qualities and I want to become more professional into it. So you are talking about your interest, you are adding your interest, then you are also adding the reasons for the interest. कि आपका क्या reason है, उस interest को आपने कैसे inculcate किया. You should also talk about, some examples, or, through some leaders. You should एग्जाम्पल्स और लीडर्स के नाम बता के आप बता सकते हैं कि यार अगर हम आज बात करते हैं इंदिरा नूई की, हम बात करते हैं चंदा कोचर की, या हम किसी भी फील्ड की बात करते हैं, किसी भी ऐसे लेवल की बात करते हैं, तो हमें पता है that these qualities are very much required to be successful. So you can quote some examples, you can talk about some leaders, you can name some personalities, and then you can prove them that I am looking forward like this, so that you have something more in support to the same. Then if you have already quoted the names, or if you have taken or the help of some examples, then you can again come to what is more excited, what has excited points of this career, कि आप इस career में क्या क्या सीखते हैं. Or you may also add some learnings कि मुझे पता है, if I have heard this, I have seen this, that people who have been doing this are being taught these qualities. And also you can talk about that you have explored this career, आपने इस career को explore किया है, research करा है, and you can mention that this is the only program which works on the overall personality of a person. This is the only program which brings out personal qualities, or which works on our personality development too. Because in any other course, if I talk about CA, if I talk about like traditional courses like MSc, BSc, they don't work on our personality. And rather, if I talk about BTech, MTech, I would be only confined to the system and would not be able to explore people, explore new things, different things. And this is something which is working on my personality too. So you can show them that you have tried and explored this career, and you already know that there are projects, there are summer internships, there are industrial visits. There is a lot more to learn in this particular course. Especially an MBA is such a course where you have been taught with maximum subjects, and those subjects are also given with some practical knowledge. So this is something which will prepare me for the corporates. This is something which will prepare me with some holistic development, and this is something which will make me market ready. So such things will really show them that yes, you know the course. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको कोर्स के बारे में नहीं पता, तो कहीं ऐसा ना हो बाद में आपको ये घबराहट होने लगे, आप गिव अप करने लगो कि मुझसे हैंडल नहीं हो रहा. एंड स्पेशली इफ वी नो, फॉर एग्जांपल कमिंग बैक टू दैट फनी इंसिडेंस ऑफ अ गर्ल, आपको लड़की के बारे में सब कुछ पता है तो बाद में आपको उससे दिक्कत नहीं होगी. लेकिन अगर आपको आधी ही बातें पता है तो जितनी बाद में पता चलेंगी उतनी से दिक्कत होगी. यार ओके, यू डू दिस आल्सो, आई नेवर न्यू. ठीक है, तो इसी तरह कोर्स का हमें सब पता होगा कि हमें कितनी मेहनत करनी है, हमें किस तरह के जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगे और हमारे को क्या क्या इसमें एक्सप्लोर करने को मिलेगा, व्हाट ऑल आई कैन डू आफ्टर डूइंग दिस. सो सारा कुछ मिलाकर, you know, I've just given you a outline here. You can add them according to you, you can add them according to your experience as well. That's why I've just given you a time to give a thought to what was there in your mind. Now with these few points you can add it to or you can reframe your answer once again, and it should look very confident. It should not be with any pauses, long thought process, no gaps. It should be perfect, fluent and up to date. That's how your answer should be. Are there any questions? So why MBA as a career we are discussing. If you have any question to point out here, you may ask, and otherwise I'll be moving to the next question. Nancy, is there anything you would like to know? Divyanshu, Harshit, Pranjal, Nandini, Achal, Anisha, Divya, and Aman. All of you. Okay. Fine. So this is how we can talk about why MBA as a career. Would be looking forward to your answers to this as well. Now let me talk about this. Another question which we have planned and thought of discussing is that how you are different from others. आपको मैं क्यों लूं? एक question ये होता है that why should I select you? This is also somewhat closer to the one which we have written, and this is something कि why you are different, how you are different, तुम्हें क्यों लूं? What would you say? Make this class as interactive as possible because silent रहने से आपका भला बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है. Believe me, you have to speak because unless you won't be able to know where you went wrong, where you are lacking. So Pranjal, just answer this again, once again to Pranjal. Over to Pranjal.
Can I have 2 minutes?
Sure. You need to think, or are you doing something else?
No, I need to think.
Okay. Achal, Anisha, Aman, anyone can pick up a lead. See, these are the questions which would be pointed to you soon. So you can't take time, or if you are taking time, just think of this, that हमें इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाएगा, so हम क्या बोलने वाले हैं? What are we going to say? So how you are different from others?
May I?
Yes, Nandini.
Ma'am, can we talk about strengths here?
Definitely. Definitely. See, before you answer to this question, let me help you with one input. That, for instance, you have been to the mobile shop to buy a mobile. आप मोबाइल लेने जाते हो और आपको शॉपकीपर एक नहीं 2, 3, 4 मोबाइल्स दिखाता है, राइट? एंड आपको एक लुक से, किसी रीजन से एक मोबाइल अच्छा लग रहा है, तो आप पूछोगे ना that why should I take this? Can you just help me in differentiating? And even on Google, you know, if you are looking forward to buy a car or even a mobile phone, you can get to know the reasons, what makes this better, what makes this better, how to distinguish this from this one. So similarly, there are 100 applicants, there are 50 applicants. So the interviewer would definitely like to know, because in the span of 15 to 20 minutes of interaction, you know, he may not be able to get you completely. You may have done a lot of things in your journey, but आप सारी चीजें वहां नहीं बता पाते हो कई बार, और कई बार इंटरव्यूअर भी आपसे उतना आपको नहीं समझ पाता. So if he is inclined towards you, or if he is really willing to get you, so वो कई बार पूछ लेता है कि यार डायरेक्टली पूछ लूं. Okay, likewise, again getting back to the marriage proposal, लड़की वालों को लड़का पसंद आ रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी उनके मन में कोई डाउट्स है कि यार पक्का करने से पहले एक बार पूछ लें, तो वो पूछ लेते हैं, do you drink? right? So अपना एक direct question हो गया, so that to know the answer to the same. So similarly आपने बहुत कुछ बोला होगा, बहुत सारी बातों पे topics पे चर्चा हुई होगी इंटरव्यू में, but still now he is looking forward कि आप दूसरों से कैसे अलग हो. Is there anything which you may have missed or which you would like to highlight, mention specifically, or which is something your core top quality? So is there anything like this? So definitely there has to be a prepared answer to this question, because this is a question and we need to prepare, right? So now go ahead, Nandini, so you can definitely talk about your strengths.
Okay, now according to me, I am different from others as I am a hardworking girl. Secondly, I work on perfection. Maybe sometimes I may be delay in my work, but my work is every time it's perfect, and I am very dedicated towards my responsibilities and towards my work projects and assignments. And also my personal life do not distract me from my professional life.
Okay.
That's it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Pranjal, have you given a thought what you are going to say to this? How you are going to handle this question?
I'll just give it a try. So I believe for getting a seat in your college, like why you should prefer me over others. So I feel I have many qualities and skill sets which makes me a potential MBA candidate. So to mention some of them, I believe I have leadership skills. I know how to manage people, and it is a must necessity for the MBA candidate, because 2 or 3 years down the line we have to manage people only, right? Other than that, I have some experiences in which I have found out that being at a managerial position, I would be able to again showcase the same thing. So like more of my potential, and also talking about some of the exposures that I have. So being having the international exposure, so I have gone through many cultures. So in the class, I would be able to add more of the values in terms of experience or knowledge. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Anyone else here would like to give it a try? It was well framed, Pranjal. And one thing I would just like to mention you here. I hope you will not mind this at all. But I believe I somewhere, it just clicked my mind that I should tell you. In your answer, you just re-question the interviewer that, right? This was the thought somewhere.
Okay.
Are you able to relate which sentence
Yeah.
was it?
Yeah.
Right. Once I may, share the recording of this session and then you can get back and hear जो हमने थोड़ा सा बोला. हम बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है, बहुत अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन एक बार आपने हल्का सा ना इंटरव्यूअर से ही क्वेश्चन कर दिया, राइट, राइट. सो वो थोड़ा सा हम उसको रोक सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी नेवर नो how it gets to the interviewer. And obviously right now it is very important that if it would have been much better if I would have been able to see you, because the reaction, the gesture marks out here. Okay, otherwise so पहले जैसे अभी हमने बोला तो वो gesture एक बार अगर मैं pick करती, so I can make it out कि वो question आपने किस तरह कहा कि right, वो मतलब उसको check करना था या खुद को बताना था, confirmation लेना था or whatever. So it was fine. So ultimately, this question is again all about proving yourself. And you know what I believe, when the interviewer has given you a chance to introduce yourself and you have spoken about your qualities, your strengths, and I believe why would he going to ask you this question? Because maybe somewhere he is looking forward to select you. Maybe somewhere he's having some, insights to be positive about your selection. So maybe he is looking forward to hear something more, something very exciting, something very unique, so that he can be sure before taking or before accepting you. So how you are different from others simply means आप लोगों से, औरों से, यहाँ जो मौजूद candidates हैं, उनसे कैसे अलग हो. सो डेफिनेटली कैसे हम अलग हैं, हम अपनी पोटेंशियल बताएंगे, अपनी लीडरशिप बताएंगे, और यहाँ पर एक दो चीजें जो बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है, दैट यू नॉट हैव टू से समथिंग कि यू नो जो बाकी यहाँ आए हैं मैंने उन्हें मिला हूँ या मैंने उन्हें देखा है, नो वन इज लाइक मी, नो वन हैज वर्कड एवर, नो वन हैज गॉट गुड मार्क्स। तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन बेशक दिखाता ऐसा है कि ऐसी बात कर रहा है कि आप औरों से कैसे अलग है, बट यहाँ मतलब या सेंस ये बिल्कुल नहीं है कि आप किसी और को नीचा दिखाएं या उसको बुराई करें, राइट? सो इट इज फॉर यू एंड द क्वेश्चन इज जस्ट ऑन यू to talk about your qualities, your strengths, and we may have different answer to this one from the one which we are going to answer in our strengths. That is what you have to mark as a point. कि जो हमने strengths में बोला है that yes sir, I am very determined, I am very punctual, I am very good convincer, I am a good leader. So वो जो आपने वहां बोला था, that may be in some bullet points, but still you need to be prepared with the reasoning for the same, with the examples set in your mind to answer the same or validate the same. And now to this question your answer should be a little different, and it should be brief, it should be well explained, right? So this is how we can answer these both questions. So why MBA as a career and how you are different from others. I believe both of these questions and the approach is clear to you. If you have anything, you are most welcome to ask.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nancy.
ma'am, can we start like this? Like, ma'am, that actually I don't know what makes me different from others, cause I only focus on myself, and I had a competition like this, so that I can only tell about what qualities I have.
You can say this. Just a second. Yeah, Nancy, I'm back. So
Yes, ma'am.
I was you were कि मैं को ये नहीं पता कि मैं दूसरों में क्या बुराई है, something
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that. Tell me once again the first line.
Ma'am, that he like he would be sir or something, ma'am. So I would start like, sir, actually I don't know what makes me different from others, because I only focus on myself, and I only compete with myself. So I can tell you only about what qualities I have. So now I can list myself as a matlab, I can
Okay.
prove myself.
This seems okay. This seems fine, and it depends. जो line आपने बोली है ना कि I don't know how I am different from others. This is something else, and the point which you are telling me कि मैं दूसरों के बारे में नहीं जानती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ अपने
Yes,
बारे
ma'am.
में जानती हूँ, वो these 2 points are clashing. मैं आपको समझाती हूँ कैसे.
No, ma'am, I'm saying that my first line is I don't know what makes me different from others.
Okay, what makes me different from others, but
Because I
because
don't
I compete with myself. Yeah, so
I know
this,
only about
yeah.
myself.
Okay. You can say so. You can say so. It is fine. You can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Pranjal, anything from your side? So basically, these 2 questions are very important questions, and especially when I'm discussing how you are different from others, let me just tell you about the strengths point as well. Because strengths आपकी हमेशा पूछी ही जाएंगी, और strengths का मतलब है फिर से आपको एक chance देना कि आपके अंदर क्या क्या qualities हैं. And whenever you go to buy any product, so जब भी आप कोई product खरीदने जाते हैं तो आप भी क्या जानना चाहते हैं, आप उसकी qualities जानना चाहते हैं, आप उसके merits जानना चाहते हैं, right? So this is how the interviewer would also like to know you. And फिर से जो आपका एक इंट्रैक्शन चल रहा है उससे आपको हो सकता है वो उतना नहीं जान पाएगा, ठीक है? सो वो आपको फिर से एक इंडिविजुअल चांस देता है ये बताने का कि यार खुद को बेच लो खुद को अगर हिम्मत है तो. So you can sell yourself by just listing out your points, but again You need to remember one thing over answering this question, that it should not like कि आपने वो एकदम से मगअप किया हुआ है, रटा हुआ है. It should go with a flow. It should go with a reasoning. It should go with a logic. It should go with some examples, with some working which have been done by you previously. So if I say that, sir, I possess leadership qualities, so I would be definitely given a counter question that what makes you a good leader? Can you elaborate on this, that how you think that you are a good leader? Have you ever worked as a leader? Have you ever headed a team? Or what were the outcomes when you headed the team? If you say just yes, I have headed the team, then was it successful? Were you able to achieve your goal? So definitely whatever you are marking as your qualities, so make sure, be sure of it, that you should have an example ready to prove the same. There should not be anything for which you are just, blank. And definitely we should not copy our strength, and the strengths of my friend could not apply to me. So it has to be my unique qualities, and you should all be ready with at least 10 strengths. Anything else? So get ready with these answers. Why MBA as a career, how you are different from others, and get ready with your strengths. And in my next session, I want you all to begin. I'll be beginning your interview somewhere with your small introduction. Then, we are not just practicing the questions here, or not just here forming the answers, or not just knowing what is to be included in a question as a better answer or best answer. Also, I am trying to give or take a mock interview in while, so that आप सबको एक बोलने की habit होती चली जाए. Right? And those who have not participated today and being just the audience, this is not going to help you at all. So please change this habit. And in my next session, I would like everyone on their tips with these 4 things. One was your introduction, second, why MBA as a career, then how you are different from others, and some of your strengths. In my next session, I'll point out some other questions to you, and then we'll discuss them. Is that fine to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's perfect. Thank you everyone for joining the session. See you in the next class. Have a good day.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
ma'am.